Huh? Okay. Alright, guys, so this is my new NXT 24-inch by 24-inch ring. 24 this way? Yeah, 24 that way. I already put the ring canvas on. These are the attachments. We got these two parts that go under the center, which now I'm going to have to flip over and put it back on. It's to lock the ring in place. So, I would imagine this goes here. This goes there. And these two go in the middle. How do you? That one goes there. That makes no sense. Wait. Let me try it this way. I think this is only good if you want to lift your ring up. Nope, that might make no sense either. Alright, well, guess what? That means it's just coming off, and it's just going to sit where it was. Because I think there's something missing. Okay, well, this is what happens. I got this from a place called Exchange, it's where they buy you stuff. But it sits flat, so I don't care. Camera's tilted. Okay, so here's the... Hi, dog. Come on!
That is our mascot for both of our channels.
Dog wants to say hi. Hello, buddy.
Prince! That's our mascot.
Is it cameras on? Gotta look pretty.
And sniff it.
You're not wrestling. Forget it. I know, but Daddy, nothing. Go away. Go on, get down. Alright, you can watch.
The dog says bullshit.
Alright, so this goes here. I think. Oh, I did miss pieces. There's one. I think I might have dropped some stuff. Yep, I did. Watch out, Dad. Hold on, guys. I'll be back in 1 sec. I gotta get stuff off the floor. That's why the ring wasn't sitting the way it was supposed to. I dropped stuff. Ow. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Okay, so now we know. This pole... Oh, boy. This one goes over here. This one's supposed to go here. There it goes. Why does that not look right? Oh well. These 1, 2, 3. There's okay. So these ones go in the middle. Whoopsie. So there's supposed to be another one of those that goes on the end. Okay, now to untangle the ropes. Put them together. Now this. Hit the hose button. Okay, so now we're gonna put these on. And if you'll care to notice, I found all the pieces that go on the bottom, which is why we did the cutaway. Whoopsie. Man, these ropes are nice and tight. Oh, crap.
Do you need help with a good-looking assistant?
And then we got the tag team ropes on the top turnbuckles on opposite ends, as you can tell. Alright, so there's rope number 1. Here's rope number 2. Upside down rope. That goes here. This one goes. I love how they paid attention to the detail to even get the little lug nut thing in between. Trust me, I put a rope ring together. This is a lot harder. I mean, a lot easier. That's what I meant to say. I knew what I meant. number 2 is on. Now we go to rope number 3. Sorry guys, I had to get this set the right way. Alright, now we got rope number, oh, maybe it wants to connect it, but like it doesn't want to work.
It's making him work for it.
Now, I'm going to have my camera assistant come closer. There's also the fiance of the house. Hey. So, I'm going to have her come closer. I didn't get this perfect, but I don't care. I'm going to have her come closer so that we can do figures unboxing. Okay, so, let's see. We're going to do the ones that are already open first.
So, technically, you guys see a giant with what looks like a big ring from the view of your side.
Yes. You need to get come closer. Okay, so we have Dean Ambrose, the artist formerly known as Dean Ambrose, now John Moxley. We have one of my favorite wrestlers, ex-wrestlers now, sadly passed away in 2005, Eddie Guerrero with the Latino Heat Scarface top.
And you can see all the very, very intricate details.
We have my other favorite wrestler, Rey Mysterio, with the black and silver. We have the fiance's favorite wrestler, Mr. John Cena, in the green and orange colors. We have one of the greatest tag teams I've ever seen, Bradshaw and Farouk, the APA. We have, let me get these out of the package here. Dog is not free.
Oh, the dog does not like the wrestling action figures. He doesn't like things that move on their own. So he kind of gets freaked out.
We got the Usos. Is there anyone here that's open? Okay, so now we get to the two that are sealed. Well, one's in a bag, the other one's in a box. We have Mr. Stone Cold Steve Austin with the original undisputed WWE title that JBL was holding before John Cena turned it into
And you can see the little writing on it too. It's not the best because of how shiny the belt is, but
this is the belt JBL was holding before John Cena turned it into the spinner belt. So we're going to take that off. We're going to lay it over here. We got Mr. Austin, Stone Cold.
And by the looks of it, hun, it looks like the jacket comes off.
Yes, it does. And then we have WrestleMania 21, Triple H, which I'm not even going to bother leaving in the box.
Why not?
Just does. That's what I do.
Man, you could have had AAA checks to sign it.
Yeah.
Then it would have been worth more than just leaving it in. So yes.
But this is the only thing I don't understand. Okay? We got WrestleMania 21 packages. Okay? And WrestleMania 21 Triple H. Got my finger. But this is the only thing I don't get. This is supposed to say, this is supposed to be a WWE Championship. For those of you fans that go back this far, this is the Winged Eagle WWF title.
Sorry, the guy said it's not focusing that great on it, but it is also very tiny features.
That title was not at WrestleMania 21. They had this title, and they had the big gold World Heavyweight title that they brought from WCW. But anyways, that's that video. So stay tuned, because obviously now that we have wrestling figures and a big freaking wrestling ring, there's going to be more wrestling videos to come. I'm also going to leave a link for the fiance's channel in the description. If you like this video, drop a people's elbow on that like button. And we'll see all you guys in the next video.